Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you about the Python list, how the Python list you can handle, and the various operations belongs to the Python list. Let me open my project file. So before you start, before you start, you have to know about the what is the list. List is nothing but it is used to store the multiple item in a single variable, or you can sort the multiple, you can list assign, or you can store the multiple variable in a single multiple item in a single variable. So let me define a list. Like you can simply write this write like a test list. Here is the only you can assign test, and then you can just assign all the value like apple, banana, mango, etc. Simple the things that you can list all the items, list all the item individually by accessing the its index. So let me print this print right print test. I want a test list. I want to add the test list. So you can simply print this thing as a clear. I want to clear this one Python and list.py. You want your list.py, right? Simple. The apple, banana, and mango. Those are the print this ones from the apple, banana, and mango is in a list. It means in a single variable you can store the multiple value. And then before you start that, you have to know about the list item. List item are ordered, changeable, and allow the duplicate value. You have to remember the list items are ordered. It means it comes to the sequence order, and it is changeable and allow duplicate value. List items index the first index is 0. Like if you want to the first index is 0 and the second index is 1, and respectively n minus up to n minus 1. It means total number of the count minus 1 is the last index. So it's allow the duplicate items. Like you can add another mango over here. Save and run this program again. You can get the 2 mango over here. So same thing that you can count the length of the given list. So to determine the how many items in a list has used the length functions. You can just use the length function to count the number of the item present in the given list. So let me print I want to do the total length of the total length of the given list H. You can just do the length function and test list, right? And you can close this operator and you can save and print again. Oh, there is something wrong, man. Okay, I cannot print this one. It's over here. So I want this one. I want to make it separate. And you can distance print length. Print length functions, right? And then you can just generate this. Yeah, total number of the length is 4. 1 2 3 4. It means my list items contain the 4 items. So I want to add again one more orange, right? And you can save and you can run it. You will get a 5 item on the list. So there are the different type of the data, different type of the item, different type of item or data type you can store in the list. Let me show you. For example, I wanna show you guys have a different list type, string type, integer type, and the boolean value true or false or true, whatever. So I want to show you about the string, integer, and boolean data type. So let me consider list 1 is apple, banana, orange, and list 2 is 1 2 5 3 5 7 9, and the list 3 equals to true, false, true, true. So you can just print, you can just assign the different type of the list, or you can define the different data type in the different list storing the different data type, or you can write the multiple data type in the single list. Like list 4, I want to make the first banana, second 34, true, 40, and male, right? Or you can store the same and let me do print list 4, and what will be the result, right? Oh, what is there? Something wrong here? Okay, print list 4. Banana, what is the error here? By something else, this list line number 12 is error, right? Okay, something wrong over here. Oh yeah, I got something right here. So there is a comma separated, should be separate here. Yeah, you can just banana 24, true, 40, and male. You can store the different type of the data type in a single list, or you can define the string list, integer list, true value boolean list, or some everything in a list item. So by using the list constructor, you can define the list by using this original list constructor from this library. So for example, you can use a list constructor as a list constructor to make your list. It is a inbuilt functions you can use, right? So let me try the list pipe because the list, this is an inbuilt function, and I want to try the apple, cherry, orange, and potatoes, right? Yeah, and you can just print this list 5, and simply you will get, oh, what the hell, bro? Orange, potato, list. Oh yeah, just I make one error right here. Is suppose if the list method, and inside the list method there will be another bracket. So let me do, this is the thing, right? The same thing, you define the apple, cherry, orange, and potatoes and the list. The same thing is you can define from the, you can use the list constructor. Using the list constructor, constructor to make a list. So the Python collections array, there is a list. You have a different type of the list, like you can use a list, tuple, set, and dictionary in a Python. So this is the type of the list. So in detail, we are going to finding the various items, various things we can do in the list functions. So we can access the list item, right? So when you define any item in a list, you can just access the list item from the given list. So let me define the new list, right? My list. I wanna do my list equals to, I wanna do the apple, banana, orange, cherry, right? So I wanna print the default list, my list. It's simply print the, I wanna do clear and I wanna do again, right? And then here is the apple, banana, orange, and cherry. I wanna do comment the above code. Okay. Yeah, I don't like to run the above code, so I wanna do comment this all code, right? So you can save and you can run it. Simply you will get the apple, banana, orange, and cherry. So before you accessing the list item, you have to know about the indexing. Indexing, right? Index always from 0, right? In these sections, indexes are always start from the 0. So you can access the item from the let me print and then my list, and this is the item 0. Let me try these ones, right? It's an item 0 and I want to do something here like print function f functions and then index 0, index 0, index 0, index 0, right? Index 0, there is something, oh, something wrong, man. Index 0 is apple, right? So index 0, apple. The same thing, you want to access the item from the apple is 0, banana is 1, orange is 2, and cherry is 3. But total number is 1, 2, 3, 4. The last element of the array is total number n minus 1. It means 3. So you can write 3 over here and you will get a cherry, right? Oh, this is index number 3. I wanna do this one. So this is index number 3. It's just generate the cherry. Same the thing. You can write apple for 0, banana for 1, orange for 2, and cherry for 3. Okay, let me try the 2 and run again. It's on an apple and orange. I wanna do this one in 2. So you can access all the list items using the positive indexing, and the same thing you can access the item from the negative indexing. It generally start from -1. Okay, let me try from -1, right? And you can just start this -1 and the 3. What is the -1 and the 3? Let me check. Okay, and then I will let you explain about in detail. Okay, there is a -3 indexing. This is indexing 3. It's good. This is a -1. Okay, let me do clear the screen and I want to run this one. Look, If you access from the -1, the -1 means that's cherry, and -2, -3, and -4. There is a no n -1. When you start from the indexing from the minus, it begins from the end of the list. So the -1 is a cherry, -2 is the orange, -3 is a banana, and -4 is apple, right? Or let me try the -4. -4 and the -4, and the same thing I want to do the 1, not a -1, just 1. Oh no, no, just 0, right? This is the first index. Okay, let me try. Okay, look, when you type the index -4, it's apple. When you and then 0, it's also apple, right? It means you have to remember that it's the list indexing always start from 0 and end with the number -n-1. It means total number of the item in the list and the -1 is the last index number of the given list. Same the thing that you can just reverse your indexing from -1 to the given number. So the second thing is you can access the list item by using the range of index. You can specify a range of index by specifying whether to start and where to end the range. When specifying a range, the return value will be new list with the specific item of the given list. So let me try this ones, right? I wanna try my new list. I wanna this range list, right? And then I wanna just simply copy paste these items and simple I want to do the print item from range list, right? Okay, and just simply clear, and I want to run this once again. I have apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, and mango. So I want to do axis from the 2 to 5. It means 2 to 5. Let me show the 2 to 5, right? There is something wrong that I have to keep these things as a from 2. Oh, sorry, this is 2 to 5. Okay, let me run again. Oh, what the hell, bro? Is it? Oh yeah, I got an error or something here. So list items, and I have to remove this thing. There is a syntax error. Okay, before these things I want to do comment the above code, and you can just run this code again. Simple. This is I run from 2. You can count 2 means 0 1 2 2 2 3 4 2 3 4 5. It's up to the QE, right? But 2 to 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 0 1 1 2 2 to 5. It means it doesn't belongs to the 2 to 5. Or you can simply write here is 0 to 5. 0 to 5, it start from apple, I think, right? 1 2 3 4 5 up to 5. And if the last indexing is 5 means this one, it check the 5 is a number. So apple, banana, cherry, orange, and kiwi. Or you have to remember that the first index has a 0, and then the search will start at index 2 including an in index 5 not include that. It means it not include the index 5, but 1 2 3 4 5. I'll go to up to the kiwi, right? At the end of the index 5, it means 0 1 2 3 4. It's a 5 but not include the index 5. It starts from the 2. It means 0 1 1 2. Remember, the first index has a 0 index. So the same example we are returning from the example we returning from the beginning to the given number, right? So let us check the range. You want to do the range print. You want to do the print from range list, right? It's a colon to per. Let us check our result, right? What is here? Something wrong here? Range list up to 4. Now here's something wrong. Okay, here's something wrong. Yeah. I wanna do this one. So yeah, I run the mistake file, right? So you have to remember it's up to 4, right? 0 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4, but it does not include the kiwi and the number 5, number 4, because it is not in the number 4. 0 1 2 3, it means it goes up to the 4 but it print up to the 3. It means not including the kiwi. It means not including the 4. Or if you want to include the kiwi, you have kiwi you have to write at the 5 over here. It's come with the kiwi, right? Okay, this is something wrong I did, right? So you can just uncomment or maybe this one, run this again. Or you can do the same thing. You have to remember the thing, right? This is the thing, first thing, 0 to 5, 0 5, and you have to again know about the 2 to 2, right? Okay, let's see the result of this ones, right? You have to remember 0 1 2. It means 2. Cherry to int, mango, up to mango, right? You have to remember 0 1 2. It means 2 is cherry. It's begin from the 2 and up to the end. By this way, you can access the range of the element of the list in the Python program. The same thing, you can do the reversal process, like you can do the reversal process from the minus indexing back to the front. Let's try print range list. You want to access the -1 item, right? You want to access the item of the -1. You can check the item over here. You can check the item over here. What is the -1? Look, the -1, -2, -3, -4. You always should have to remember, if you want to do the negative indexing, always start from -1. Okay, the same thing you can do, like you want to access the element from -4 to -1. Okay, look, what will be the result, right? 1 2 3 4, -4, orange to orange, kiwi, melon. -2, -1, it doesn't include the 1. So if you keep in the range, the first element they start from the given range, and the last one the exclude, not include. You can determine the specific item is in the list present or not. You can check inside the list. Okay, let me check these functions. Okay, we have a list. We want just, if I want to do the one logic apple in range list, right? If print yes, yes, apple is in the list, given list. If, right? Okay, let me run this code again, right? Yes, apple is in the list. In this cases, we have apple in the given list. It means we can check the item in a given list. So you can use, or you can use other logic also, else block also, if no or no, apple is not in the given list, right? Or you can just think, man, we got the apple in the given list, and this is yes. I wanna delete the apple, and I wanna use, this is the what I wanna use is melon only. No, just melon one, right? And I wanna do run again. No, apple is not a given list. It means there is no item found in the given list. It is a case sensitive, so I wanna write the apple. There is a no. So Python's always is a case sensitive, is upper or lower, whatever you write, that should be supposed to be in equal in these conditions. So it's a case sensitive. And the same thing, you can change the item in a Python. I change the list item in the Pythons. Thank you guys. I will come back with the next video about the change the list item, or you can change the list item in the Python's program also.